Welcome to the channel everyone, and thanks for joining today's deep dive into one of the most exciting lightweight performance motorcycles making waves for the 2026 lineup, the Suzuki Gixxer 250. The Gixxer series has built a strong reputation for sharp styling, agile handling, and impressive performance in the premium 250cc naked segment. And in 2026, Suzuki has introduced multiple engineering refinements, design upgrades, and technology improvements that take the riding experience to a whole new level. So let's break down every detail and explore what makes the 2026 Suzuki Gixxer 250 such a compelling machine for both daily commuters and weekend performance riders. Exterior features. Body panel. The 2026 Gixxer 250 features a more aggressive and muscular exterior that enhances aerodynamic flow and rider ergonomics. The redesigned fuel tank comes with sharper contours and premium tank extensions which not only give the bike a strong street fighter personality but also offer improved knee grip for better control during dynamic riding. The lightweight body paneling helps improve the power-to-weight ratio, enhancing acceleration and overall balance. Headlight. Suzuki has equipped the new Gixxer 250 with an updated full LED projector headlamp system that delivers stronger illumination and a wider spread for safer night riding. The distinct design gives the bike a premium front profile while the newly optimized lens structure helps reduce glare and improve forward visibility even at higher speeds. Taillight. The slim LED taillight enhances the motorcycle's sporty rear profile and remains highly visible in traffic and during braking. Integrated compact turn indicators complement the sleek rear design and reduce visual bulk. Wheels and tires. The 17-inch alloy wheels are engineered for rigidity and lightweight performance, offering superior cornering grip and quick steering response. The wider rear radial tire provides improved stability during acceleration and aggressive leaning angles, delivering confidence whether in city curves or open highway stretches. Exhaust system. The compact dual-port exhaust not only enhances the bike's visual appeal but delivers a deeper and sportier exhaust tone. Its design ensures better thermal control and optimal engine breathing, supporting strong mid and top-end performance. Interior comfort and convenience. Seat and ergonomics. The 2026 Gixxer 250 continues with its comfortable yet sporty riding posture. The split-seat configuration offers better cushioning density to reduce fatigue on longer rides while maintaining enough firmness for performance stability. The upright handlebar positioning supports relaxed shoulders and natural arm posture, making it suitable for both city traffic and touring environments. Handlebar and controls. The wide handlebar offers excellent leverage, allowing smooth maneuvering even in tight traffic conditions. Improved switchgear layout ensures faster access with textured buttons and refined tactile response for rider convenience. Instrument display. The new full-color TFT digital instrument console provides improved readability even under direct sunlight. It features essential ride metrics including gear position indicator, RPM bar, instantaneous and average fuel economy, trip meter, clock, service reminder, and Bluetooth-enabled notification alerts. The display can be personalized with different viewing themes. Convenience additions. The bike includes an improved side stand engine cutoff system for rider safety and a small under-seat compartment designed for essential storage like documents, tools, or compact accessories. Powertrain components. Engine. At the heart of the 2026 Gixxer 250 is a 249cc oil-cooled, single-cylinder fuel-injected engine engineered for excellent torque and efficiency. Suzuki's advanced SEP technology helps maximize performance output while maintaining superior fuel economy. The engine delivers smooth power delivery, making acceleration strong and predictable across the RPM range, ideal for both everyday commuting and sporty weekend runs. Transmission. The 6-speed transmission offers smoother gear shifts and improved performance at higher speeds. The gear ratios are optimized for highway cruising and energetic acceleration without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Chassis and suspension. Built on a rigid diamond-type chassis, the motorcycle provides precise handling and high stability even during aggressive directional changes. The front telescopic suspension and rear mono-shock setup are tuned for a balance between sporty dynamics and city comfort. Riders can expect excellent road feedback and bump absorption. Braking system. Equipped with front and rear disc brakes supported by dual-channel ABS, the Gixxer 250 ensures controlled braking and reduced chances of wheel lock on wet or uneven surfaces. This allows confident stopping power regardless of road conditions. Safety and driver assistance. ABS. The dual-channel ABS adds another layer of safety by maintaining brake stability and helping avoid skidding under sudden braking scenarios. Traction and grip stability. The optimized rear tire grip and predictable suspension behavior provide enhanced control during braking and corner exit acceleration. This gives riders confidence even in inconsistent road situations. Engine cutoff systems. The safety package includes side stand cutoff and lean-sensitive engine cutoff technology, reducing accident risks due to improper riding posture or stand deployment. Electrical and lighting systems. LED system. The full LED illumination package ensures clear visibility from all angles. LEDs consume less power yet produce higher brightness, contributing to battery efficiency and long-term durability. Charging port. A USB charging port comes installed to support mobile charging, GPS support, or camera equipment, especially useful during travel. Wiring and battery. Improved internal wiring architecture reduces electrical resistance, delivering more stable power output for electronic features while enhancing reliability and reducing maintenance chances. Cargo and utility. Although designed as a sporty street model, the Gixxer 250 offers practical utility. The under-seat storage space is useful for small essentials. Suzuki also supports optional touring accessories such as tank bags, saddlebags, rear rack system, mobile mounts, and crash protection hardware, extending its usability for long trips. Pricing. The expected price for the 2026 Suzuki Gixxer 250 is estimated between 190,000 to 215,000 Indian rupees for the Indian market. Pricing will vary internationally based on import duties, local taxes, and optional trim packages. Release date. The 2026 Suzuki Gixxer 250 is expected to hit dealerships around February to March 2026, with phased rollout across Asian, European, and South American markets. And for superbike fans waiting on the big announcement, the 2026 Ducati Panigale V4R is expected to arrive in dealerships around mid-2026, depending on region. Ending note. And that wraps up our full review of the 2026 Suzuki Gixxer 250. This bike delivers a well-balanced combination of modern design, fuel-efficient performance, sporty agility, comfort, and advanced electronic features, making it a great choice for both new riders looking to upgrade and experienced riders seeking reliability and excitement in a lightweight segment. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Would you choose the Gixxer 250?